Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll show you how to easily reset your Linksys MR9600 Wi-Fi router to its factory settings. Whether you're troubleshooting network issues or starting fresh, we'll guide you step by step through the reset process. By the end, your router will be restored to default settings, ready for a new setup. Follow along for a quick and simple solution. First of all, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Linksys MR9600 Wi-Fi router. Resetting the Linksys MR9600 Wi-Fi router is necessary when you're facing persistent network issues, such as slow speeds, connectivity problems, or configuration errors. It can also help if you've forgotten the router's admin password or need to restore it to factory settings for a fresh setup. Resetting clears any custom settings and resolves glitches, making it a useful troubleshooting step. First of all, plug the power adapter into the router and then into a wall outlet. Wait for the router's power LED to light up, indicating that it's powered on. The reset button is typically found on the back of the Linksys MR9600 router, usually in a small pinhole. Use a paperclip or a similar tool to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. The router's lights will begin to blink, indicating that the reset process has started. After 10 to 15 seconds, release the button. The router will reboot, and the lights will stop blinking once the reset is complete. The whole process may take a minute or two. Once finished, the router will return to its factory default settings. Note, once the Linksys MR9600 router has finished rebooting, it will be restored to its factory default settings. You will need to reconfigure it by following the initial setup process, either through the web interface or the setup provided by Linksys. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.